In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. I welcome all my viewers to another super healthy and delish recipe by Cook with Hannah. Today I am sharing recipe of Talbeena. Talbeena was a popular porridge that Arabs first made with barley flour, milk and honey. Therefore, it has a strong link with Islamic culture for both physical and psychological health. Allah's apostle, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said at Talbeena gives rest to the heart of the patient and makes it active and relieves some of his sorrow and grief. So let's dive into the recipe. Soak 10 to 15 dates, almonds, figs and other nuts of your choice. Then make a paste of dates and figs, also crush nuts. Talbeena was recommended by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, for its nourishing benefits in the treatment of 7 diseases including sorrow, high cholesterol, heart disease, and hypertension. It acts as a good diuretic because can remove toxins from the body. If you are watching my recipe for the first time, please subscribe and follow for more authentic recipes. Soak 1 cup of barley porridge overnight, or you can also use barley flour. Now cook barley in water. The store-bought ready-made Talbeena powder is very expensive. We can make it at home with simple ingredients. Add green cardamom seeds or powder for delightful aroma. It will take almost half an hour to cook the porridge completely. Now add dates in the porridge and cook so that both flavors melt together. If you reach this section of recipe, accept a special thanks. Please give a thumbs up if you like the recipe. It will help me reaching more viewers. When it will be fully cooked, it will become transparent. I will prefer to blend this for creamy texture, but it's optional. You can make a number of different varieties of Talbeena by using different fruits and nuts. Now cook this blended mixture with milk. I am using coconut milk instead of dairy milk due to food allergy. Cook for more 10 to 15 minutes. Look at the texture. It's very tempting. You can make and store in fridge for breakfast. It can be easily used whole week, especially convenient for working women and single living away from the comforts of home. I let it simmer for quite a while, and here we go. Now add nuts, and this is the last step of recipe. Now cook for 5 minutes to combine everything well. Now add honey and enjoy this yummy and healthy dish. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Take care.